Hi, my name is Lawrence and I'm a web developer, and I'm going to be walking you through the basics of JavaScript. I've set up this course in order to help you learn all the really cool things that you can do with JavaScript. Now, JavaScript is relatively easy to learn, and just understanding some of these basics that I'm going to be going over within this course can really help you learn about JavaScript. JavaScript allows you to have dynamic interaction within your web content and interaction with your users. And when I say dynamic interaction, I mean that you have the ability to make some calculations, apply some logic, and even update your HTML code just using JavaScript. And this provides a whole lot more functionality and a better user experience for users coming into your web page. You also have the ability to have users trigger events and trigger interactions. So not only get that displayed information coming back to the user, you have a whole ability to access content, update it, and really provide that amazing, awesome interactive experience just with using some simple JavaScript and applying it into your web pages. So I've set up this course to really help you understand the fundamentals of JavaScript. Now, I'm going to be going over some of the basics about how to add JavaScript onto your web page. So there are a number of different ways to do that. We can do it on page. We can link to a script file. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Add JavaScript on your web page. I'm also going to be going over how to output content within your web page and use JavaScript to actually have some output content and interactive content shown to the user. We're also going to be looking at the DOM. So the DOM is one of those things that really provides a lot of information, and all of this information is accessible via JavaScript. So here we've just got a sample of all the different events that are available in the DOM and all of these different things that you can interact with the code, your HTML code, just by accessing the DOM and interacting with it. So there is quite a lot you can do with it. Also, we're going to be telling you about how to use variables, because variables are one of those fundamental pieces of JavaScript, and understanding variables and how to manipulate variables and interact with variables is what gives JavaScript dynamic capabilities. And it's just a really simple concept, storing content, and we're going to be showing you how to do that. Also, working with functions. So functions, another core concept of JavaScript, and really provides some really cool capabilities. And then, of course, looking at the DOM, so what the DOM provides within JavaScript. Also, looking at arrays. So arrays are really cool within JavaScript because they give you the ability to hold multiple pieces of content. Then we're going to look at conditions. So conditions really help you apply that logic into your JavaScript and provide some kind of response according to that logic. Also, looking at loops. So loops save you time, and using all of these functions together, such as functions, arrays, conditions, and loops, can really accelerate what you can do with JavaScript. So I'm going to be going over all of this, as well as I'm including the source code that I'm going to be using throughout this course. I'm going to also tell you how you can set up brackets and use that as an editor, and even go to CodePen to access the files live online and be able to manipulate them and practice JavaScript. So all this and more with regular updates, and I'm online on a regular basis and ready to answer any questions you may have. So when you're ready, let's begin learning JavaScript.